now that I lost weight, I have a bigger new section. So now I feel like, man, that shit pissed me off so bad, bro.
Believe it. That's a crazy ass angle. That's cool. Sponsored by Tough Stuff. That shit literally is called Tough Stuff. Like who made this? Like, you know, bro, I want to call my brand Tough Stuff. Get off all multi-purpose cleaner. You know what I'm saying? What did it say on there? For deep cleaning, fabric, carpet, vinyl. That's cool as angle. Shit look good, man. Can't lie. You gotta push it in with your palm. So I need that dielectric grease, bro. Slide right in. I actually have silicone spray, but yeah, I'm gonna pop all these out, bro. And I put the dielectric grease in there. Got that good connection. What time is it? 2:01.
Damn, bro. What? All I want to do is go home and play the game and watch. Be like, no, you gotta watch the baby. I have watched him all day. That's all we do, bro. Even though I woke up early to sleep in. My son woke up at like 7:30. He was like running around the bed. And we just, it's like we so passive aggressive with each other. Like, first one to move loses, bro. Because as soon as we move, he's going to see us and he's going to be like locked on. He's going to fuck with us.
So that's how you ever like leaky?
Yeah, tire. Yeah.
That's how you fucking check the valve stand.
72.
Valve stand check.
Which way shoot?
So I have one of my tires leaking. I think the rim's cracked. There's like a hairline cracking. Cause I've already got them sealed up and shit. Also, what it could be is just the valve stem myself. I fucks with these, bro. That shit look good. Man, we can't move that pipe, motherfucker. You can bend them, bro.
I know.
That shit look good. That new shit look good in there, man. I can't lie.
I gotta go home, my baby mama making empanadas, rising just they nada. I'm blessing tables and saying grace. Smack him in Miami, his boys jump me, he played it safe. Bitches in Buffalo did the same thing, they was throwing plates. Limped away on his good foot, but he ain't bust a grape, these niggas fake. They still docking, he still popping it. Fuck the certified crack babies, come get your mama hit. Shit ain't selling, they gotta resort to drama shit. Fuck these loving hip hop niggas, I'm at the Oscars, bitch. When I was living with Sid, I had a roster, bitch. Candace with the good boom boom. Got me watching soccer, bitch. Shell fucking so good in Bali, might have to bring her back. If she get pregnant, I teach my son to shoot like Team Rat. On courtside, drunk as fuck like I'm Team Rat. Caught the ball at Barclays Center, I should've dunked the bitch. Never catch a feeling, these bitches might suck 100 dicks. Put you in the system, go get a job with the government.
This man. Got that shit on camera. Did it fall way down?
I think so.
Oh, there's silicone spray right there, actually. Bro, I wonder, so you ever seen like a shaved engine bay?
Shaved engine bay? Is that like inside the engine?
No, that's when they relocate everything.
Relocate everything? What do you mean?
So with a shaved engine bay, they